So this video is how to identify and input prepayments into Xero. Here we have the bank account for our test client. I'm just going to scroll through. While we're doing the bank reconciliation, you'll come across some items that you'll need to go and ask the client about. This one particular transaction, Viva Life for £600. We didn't have a receipt for it, so we've asked the client and they've come back and said, this is our professional insurance policy, cover the period the 1st of July to the 30th of June 2025. So we're reconciling the bank for the 1st of July. We want to produce a July trial balance, but we're going to have £600 that relates to the whole year sitting on the P&L. So we need to do something about that. So this is the perfect transaction to do the prepayment for. I've already pre-filled these details in. We just need to click OK on that. So that gets reconciled. Then we go to our manual journals. Go to accounting, manual journals. We need a new journal and we're going to call it July prepayments. In fact, probably best off putting the year on because we'll be doing this every year. July 2024. So we date the journal at the month end. We've identified the insurance is a prepayment. So the £600 at the moment sitting in the P&L, and we want to reduce that to a 12th. So that's £50 for the month. In here we do prepayments. We've got £600. We want it to be 50, so the prepayment is 550. It was insurance, so that's right. So we want to credit insurance £550. We will post that. Now we're going to run the trial balance, so I can show you what's happened in the accounts. We want to do it to the 31st of July. Here we go. Got insurance there, and it's only showing £50, even though we reconcile 600 in the bank account when we're doing the bank reconciliation. We've now reduced that to £50, and we've got a balance of £550 sitting in prepayments on the balance sheet now. Now, with some of the smaller companies that you'd be working with, this whole process of payments can be done once a year at the end of the financial year. But with the larger client, prepayments and accruals are done on a monthly basis because they like to see the monthly P&L just so they can have a look at the profit and see how the business is doing. And this is a surefire way of getting the right figures in there on a monthly basis. Otherwise, we're reducing the profit massively when really only £50 of that £600 should be sitting on the P&L in July. Then every month then we need to go back in and do a journal for the prepayments to attribute a further £50 each month to insurance. I'll show you how to do that. So we go, when it comes to reconciling or doing your bookkeeping for August, you would again go into accounting, you would go to manual journals, you could create a new journal, August 2024 prepayments, 31st of August 2024. So now we need to do the opposite because we've only got £50 sitting on insurance, and we want that to be another £50 this month. So we will do insurance, debit £50, so that increases the insurance, and prepayments, crediting with £50. We'll post that. If we go to the trial balance, now we need to change the date to the 31st of August. Do a little update there. Now you can see in insurance, we've got 2 months worth of insurance at £100, and prepayments has gone from 600 to 500. And you'll keep repeating that every month through the financial year.